Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. Microsoft's dropping its latest Windows 11 update called Moment 5 in the next few weeks. After that, they're changing strategy back to one big update every year. But Moment 5 has some great features. Voice access will support multiple monitors and custom voice commands. You'll be able to write directly into text boxes using a stylus across the operating system. And you'll finally be able to uninstall apps you don't need, even things like Photos or Edge. Plus, customize your search with third-party providers. No more Bing if you don't want to use it. Nearby Share will become easier to use with friendly names for PCs. And the widgets board will let you disable news and add third-party options. In short, Moment 5 will boost productivity and streamline workflows for you and your team. If you haven't made the move to Windows 11, now's the time. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.